Meaning of homey.
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 Homey. The word homey is an adjective that is used to describe something as cozy, comforting, and familiar, often in a domestic setting. It can also refer to a person who is welcoming and hospitable, making others feel at ease and comfortable in their presence. A homey atmosphere might be characterized by warm lighting, soft furnishings, and inviting smells, while a homey person might be someone who enjoys hosting dinner parties and making people feel at home. Overall, the term homey is used to describe a sense of comfort and familiarity in one's surroundings or interactions with others.